And the journey begins to Thunderbird Drive. You ready, guys?
Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Show them that you're not pressing.
I'm not pushing it. Look it.
It's off.
Look it. We're picking up speed.
It's off.
What? The car's off.
Oh my god.
Look it. They're pushing us.
Okay, let me turn it back on. Turn it back on. Turn it back on. We're barely. Oh my god. We're here, baby. Oscar, didn't they put it right here?
Let's try it again.
Okay, we're gonna try it again.
Baby.
Why is it not
There's
green?
no print.
Look at there's a tiny. It has to go like that. But there's
Hold on.
Oh, Oscar, that was.
No, Beba's hands are not that.
Look at this. Whose is this?
That's mine.
That's yours?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I always.
Look, there's baby powder.
You see it? You see that?
Yeah, Gordo, that's not yours. Those are tiny.
Look at this one, Gordo.
Look.
Gordo. Look at. Look at that one.
Oh my god, go. Okay, that's not mine. That's not your finger, go.
Because you didn't touch the baby.
Let's go, let's go.
You see it? You see that? That's a. Take a picture of that one. Look at that's a finger, dude. That's a fucking finger. Fingerprint. You see that? That's not me.
Those are not mine.
Look at this one right here. Look at those three. Look at those right there.
Okay, guys, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, look.
Oh shit! You see that fingerprint?
Gordo.